What's going on, guys? Welcome to the vlog. So today is group training namin for Hyrox. So 2 weeks out na lang Hyrox sa Abu Dhabi na. And to be honest, 2 beses pa lang kami nakakapag-training, group training ah. So talagang kulang na kulang kami sa ensayo as a group. And today, kulang pa kami ng isa, pero okay lang yun. So ensayo pa rin tayo. Dito tayo sa Trax Fitness. Let's go!
Old school effects out here.
Yo, I'm an addict, addicted to being savage. My life is a little graphic, like HBO making magic. I'm rapping to make that passive money coming from traffic, doing mental gymnastics. I'm fluid and problematic. You losing if you come at me the wrong way. I've come a long way from sipping on Bombay. It's 1942 now, in this loud mouth, sipping hard in the back of a booth, sold out. I can never get enough. Success is like a drug. The money come in, but then I want more stuff. So I gotta work hard, play harder, gotta work smarter. Time is money, yeah, money is harder. So I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I was born in this world, I swear, to make a difference. If you need a mentor, I got something for you, kid. Just watch the way I move and try your best to copy it.
Like a CEO, I move like an athlete pro. I party like a rock star show. I live every day like my last, never know. I run it like a CEO. I move like an athlete pro. I party like a rock star show. I live every day like my last, never know. I run it like a CEO. I move like an athlete pro. I party like a rock star show. I live every day like my last, never know. I run it like a CEO. I move like an athlete pro. I party like a rock star show. I live every day like my last, never know.
I like life, it gives you a chance for greatness. And you can waste it, or you can take it. Take control of your fate and chase it. I've been running towards dreams since I was just a kid. I've been held down, held back, hated. I've been pissed off, mad, frustrated.
So yun guys, nag-start kami ng 1 kilometer run. Tapos 2 sets kami sa row erg ng tig 500. Back to back with burpee broad jumps na 4 rounds. Tapos ngayon, stations na kami. So sled push, 152 kilograms. Tapos sandbag lunges, 20 kilograms. Tapos farmer's carry, 25 kilograms. And then sled pull. So sled pull, 103 kilograms. So rotation kami, since 4 kami. 1 station each. Kapag natapos yung isa, lipat lang sa libre. So ayun, let's go! Easy. Hirap ito, wala paligkaran. Go push. Go Chelsea. Ayan, kaya. Pwede na pang mix. Push, push, push. Nice ball. Push, come on. Push, push, push. Lightweight. Nice one, Paul. Good, good, good.
Edit mo na lang to. Lakas naman. Go coach! Mga coaches na malalakas.
Lightweight, Philip. Lightweight. Malakas si Bumero.
Walang hiya ka talaga. Top ma ditong pinuntahan ko eh.
Ayan na. Ito na.
1, 2, 3.
Go, Rai, go! Ang smooth. Ang gaan eh.
Gaganyan-ganyan ka sa ano, race. Gaganyan-ganyan ka sa race ka. Yung ano ta?
Lightweight. Basic. Kayang kaya. Lakas legs.
Winner yan.
Go.
Sushi dito. Malapit lang. Nice. Sa balik.
Let's go. Push, Chelsea. Nice one. Oh.
Tika. Ha?
High rocks. Kasama ko pa yung mga malalakas ko rito. Si Paul, si Coach Rai. Oo, magtatry lang ako. Nabudol ko kasi.
Diba?
500 meters.
Pwede ka mag-step back ha? Pwede ka
Step back, step back.
utilize yung
Okay. Sige, pag na-pull mo na, balik ka sa harap.
Thanks.
Yan.
Back, chest out.
Yan.
Hila.
Pull.
Chest out.
Yan, pag pull mo, tumayo ka. Yan.
Pull mo, tumayo ka. Ganun.
Ayan. Yun.
Saan to?
Yan. Huwag ka mag-upset bukas ha.
Hanggang metro yan, hanggang metro. Cool. Okay.
Hanggang metro. Hanggang metro yan.
Hanggang metro. Nice.
Ante.
Cool. Yan. Squat, pull up. Yan. Pwede ka mag-step forward ng konti. Konti na lang.
Let's go.
Cool. Nice one. Good job. Kaya mahangin na.
Yun nga eh.
Yan, ang catch mo sa taas.
Parang sumasalo ka na bola, close.
So yan guys, training done. So tapos na yung training namin. Maybe may mga training sessions pa kami na pwedeng ipasok kasi 2 weeks pa naman. So yun, let's see how it goes. Thanks guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. God bless.